Welcome to everyone, Super Global Host. Today we show one management system of a production factory. How can we manage a production environment? So here we have some process. For example, we have purchase. We purchase some product from vendor. After that, we store this product in warehouse, and after that we produce many other products from this product that we purchase, and then we transfer those products in different branches, and finally from those branches we sell those products to the end customer. So in this full process today we show. So we request you to see this video up to end, then you can get a full idea how can you use this system or how this system will work. So for at first I go to this purchase. So initially you see we have some product here. The demo we made for a cow production, but this demo you can use for any kind of production. For example, any you have any factory that you making any materials or any kind of production, you can use this one. If you have more than 2 or 3 branches, then also you can use this system. So you see here we have some product this is some live product. This is cow grade B. It has some purchase price, and on hand this is 0. That means there have no quantity now at present. This is cow grade C. This is on hand 6. So we want to make this demo by this cow grade B. If I open this one, you see here some more information we get. The product is storable, must be storable, because we can count how many cow we have. I click edit, and here the sales price, and this is the purchase price, initial price. This is the when we enter this product or add this product, this time we add this price. This is 4,300. and here also we have another setting. This is product category. If I open this one, you see the product category, this is livestock, and the costing method here you see that I use here, first in first out, FI, FO, FIFO. Here also have another 2 costing method. If you need, then you can use those are this is standard price, this is average cost price. So what's the difference of those? If you select standard price, then every time when you purchase, then the initial purchase it will be active. That is what is the initial purchase here. You put here cost is 4,300. It will be apply every time if you select the standard price. If we select the average cost, then every time it will be show the average. That means if you select the second time, then first time and second time it is summation, and after that divided 2. If you it is third time, then total third will be add, and after that divided 3. That means average, always it show the average cost. And this is the first in first out. That means the last price that you purchase, this will be apply. For example, the initial price is 1, but you now purchase in different price, so the different price will be active there. So as your product, you can use which costing method you need. So after that, here inventory valuation, I make it automated. There have 2 option. If you select it automated, then you can select some journal and account there. So those are setting for product. And now we go to purchase this cow. You see now on hand there is 0. You can also purchase it, you can also increase the quantity from here, update quantity manually, but we do not want to do it manually. We want to add this quantity by purchase. So from order I click on purchase order and I click create, and at first we select the vendor. For example, we select here vendor this one, and anytime you can change or you can add edit this vendor. For example, you the vendor name you can put here, and the Arabic of this vendor you put here. Here also you can put address, and here you put Arabic address, and here many other option. So those we can use when we need, and after that we select the product. So from here we click simply the cow grade B. So after selecting this one, if you want, then you can also set the tax, purchase tax, and from other information from here you can select the branch, which branches you want to store those products. For example, we want to store this product in main branch, so simply clear from here, come here other information, and from here you just select the branch where you initially store those product after purchase. So if it is okay, then what you need to do, you simply need to click this confirm purchase. So I click confirm purchase. So if you click on confirm purchase, then this will become, and you after confirm this purchase, if product is you receive, then you need to click this receive product. So here how much cow we purchase? Here we purchase one product. So one product, and we can track it by one lot's number. So simply click here and add a line, and here simply you put one lot's number, that is tracking number. By this number we track this, and here we demand is 1 unit. After that we confirm. So we have demand 1, and we also make one tracking number, that is lots number 1. So if it is done, then you can just click validate. So it is now done. That is if you click this traceability, then you can see that is in this lots number from vendor to stock 1 unit, cow grade B is coming. From where? From vendor to from stock, and also how many quantity, everything will show there. I back to this purchase order and this product. See, now on hand here showing 1. Before on hand it was 0. The cow grade B it was 0. After purchase it automatically show 1. And if you check the product move, then also it show from vendor to stock it is coming. Now we want to check the what is the price here applied. We want to purchase another, not this price, we want to purchase in another price. So simply we go purchase order and create another, select same vendor, and here product, this time also quantity 1, and but we want to change the price, because you know every time we cannot get it in same price. So for example, now we get it by some less price, so I put here this price. Before it was 3,950. Now we purchase it by 3,500, and this is the tax, it is the total. So from here we also want to store it in main branch, and we confirm it, and after confirm you can receive it from here, or this track button you simply click here, and same way you can put one tracking number. This is lots number. Before we put there 10, now is this time we click 11, and demand is 1 and done also 1, and we simply click confirm. So it is done, and then now we validate this one. So it is validate. If we click the traceability, then we can also see from vendor to stock it is done. So this purchase is done. If you check the product, this is grade 2, then also you can see now we have 2. If we select the product move, then you can see by lots number 1 we purchase 1, and by lots number lots number 10 we purchase 1, and lots number 11 same grade cow we purchase another. So we have total 2. Now we want to check some report for this purchase. So how can we check those? Simply if we go to inventory and reporting, and from there inventory valuation. So this is the cow grade B. If I click here, then you can see the first one, that is we purchase this is 3950 per unit, and another we purchase this one. If I click here, then we can get the full data. This is the for first cow that we purchase, and this is the second one that the purchase value is 3500. From another place we can check also those changes from if we go to from accounting, reporting, and from there if we select the balance sheet, and from balance sheet you see the stock in terms account. Here we can get two kind of account. This is a general ledger report and journal item. Both case you can get those report. For example, I click journal item. So in journal item you can also see these changes. The price that is the first one 3950 and 3300. I just show you in different place from where you get those report. And if we go again back and click on general ledger, and here also you can see the balance sheet. This is a credit as we purchase this one, first one and second one, and this is the balance sheet. So in this way we can manage the purchase. So our purchase is finished. What we purchase? We purchase one product, that is cow grade B. We purchase 2 unit. Now from this purchase we want to produce, that is we want to manufacture other product from this main product. So for that, from here we directly go manufacturing app, and from here you see there are an option product. So what you need to do here, at first we need to make a bill of materials. So I simply click here. You see already I make here 3 bill of materials. First one beef, mutton, and camel meat. So what is this one? If I open this beef, you see the main product here we want to produce beef. So this is show from cow grade C, but we want to produce it from cow grade B. So we need to make one new. Select the main product, not this one, beef, and from which product we want to make this one? We want to make this from cow grade B. And how many quantity we use there? There we simply in this time we put here 1. And quantity, how many quantity initially we want to plan to produce. For example, we want to produce 50 kg beef. So we want to produce 50 kg beef, and we have total 2 cows, so we can use 2. So we use 2 cow, and also we just change, we want to beef. And here byproduct, in byproduct we can produce, it has search more option. So for example, we want to make, this is paya, we want to make it 10, add another, liver, we want to produce it 3. So this is our initially, it is for demo purpose, it is not real data. So I had, you see, from this is the main product that we want to produce from cow grade B, and byproduct those also we get. So we totally produce 3 product. This is our main product beef, and those 2 liver and pie is byproduct. So those 3 product from where we want to build from a cow grade B, and we just save this one. So we make one bill of material here. Now what we need to do, we just need to click here operation and manufacture order, and we need to click create, and from here we need to select the product. So I select this product beef, and from here we need to select the beef. We can make beef from 2 product, that is if this is produced from C, but we want to produce from B, this is for B. So this is cow grade B, we want to produce beef, and if we when you select this one, then automatically byproduct also come here. So those all are after selecting this one, you just need to click this confirm button. So those are available. 2 we need we want to use 2. So you see here we already have cow grade B, we already have B, so it show available. If you make it for example 3, then it show unavailable, because we have only 2, so we need to select 2 or less. So this is done, and after that what you need to do, we need to select the lots number, then we can track from which go where. Simply we click here, and what we have 2 lots number, for example 10. From here we take 1 because we purchase there 1, and you know the purchase price is not same, they are different. And from here also we done here 1. So after that selecting this we just click confirm. So here you see they already consumed this 2. Then you need to click mark as done. So before we select mark is done, we need to check all the product we have now. Here we at first we need to select the quantity, how much we want to produce. Here for beef we select here 100 kilo. So initially we see beef, how much we have. Beef we have now 0 kilo. Okay, I make another refresh, then we can check. Now see beef, they have 0 kilo, and for byproduct we want to produce two byproduct, liver and paya. So liver, we check where the liver it also 0, and paya it also 0, so all are 0. So after produce the beef will be 1000 kilo, liver will be 3 kilo, and paya will be 10 kilo. Let's check this one. Just click mark as done. So it is done. From product traceability we can check this one. See, product beef, so from after production it come to stock, that means from cow we make this beef, and how much it is, 100 kg. Liver, it is 3 kg. From production to it is come now in stock. Paya, this also by production it come in stock, and it is 10 kilo. So if we show it from product move, then also we can see this one. You see what's are happened here. We can check everything here. That is we buy by this lots number 1 unit cow, and by this lots number 11 we buy another cow, and after using those two cow we produce 3 product. This is liver, paya, and beef, and from production to stock it is coming this unit. So now if we just simply refresh, then those will be, we can show from our product also. We just give this refresh. You see, before it was 0, now beef now beef 100 kg, and liver 3 kg, and paya is 10 kg. So it is done. Now I back to manufacture order. You see there are no manufacture order because it already done. So after produce those one, that is we make a beef, and what are we make, liver and paya, we want to sell it to customer. So before we sell to customer, now where those one, if we click here beef, and you click product move, then you can see where now those product is those 100 kilo, where those are now present. The stock, this is main stock, those product is now from in main product. So from main this is in main warehouse. Now those product are stored in main warehouse. So from main warehouse we want to transfer it in different branches. So let's check those. If we go to inventory, if we check how many warehouse we have, we see we have total 4 warehouse here. This is main branch, this is branch 1, branch 2, branch 3. So at first we need to the product that we produce, we need to transfer those in different branch, and after that we want to sell those one. So now the product that we have produced, this is the beef. So what this product now we have, we stored this product in our main branches. If I click this meat, you see this is now TMC stock. Here we have now this 100 kg beef, and if we check other product paya, this 10 kg, where it is now, simply click this product move, and it also TMC stock, that is in this location we have those. This is the main branch. So how can we get this is main branch? If you click here and click warehouse, we have see there have some warehouse. You see TMC stock, the location that was, this is main branch, and also we have some other branches here also. So we here in this company we make those 4 branches. So now what we want, from main branches to want to we transfer those beef paya to other branches to sell to the customer. To make this one, simply from operation we need to click transfer, and from here we need to click create, and here from here we need to select the operation type. Also it will be changed. So from main branch it is our operation operation type, source location this one, and this is destination. Now what we want to transfer from TMC stock to this ARBN stock. This is from main branch to another branch. So we select those product here, that is beef and another paya and another that we produce, what we produce, liver. So those 3 we want, and demand how much we want to send there. So how much beef, at first we see how much we have, then we plan where we want to send how much. See, beef we have 100 kilo, so here we want to send 50. Paya how much we have, 10 kilo, so we want to transfer here 5 kilo, and liver, this is 3 kilo, we want to transfer here 1 kilo, and after that we select save, and after that click on mark as to do and check availability. Those are available because we take less. Beef we have 100 kg, we only take 50 kg. Paya we have 10 kg, we take only 5 kg. Liver we have we have 3 kg. Yes, 3 kg, we only take 1. So those are already reserved. So we want to make it validate. Apply. So this is done. So if we check it from those product, then we can get those in live. See, this is internal transfer, so our the main quantity will not be changed, it will be same, but we can see from where to where it transfer. We just simply refresh this one. So you see, for beef, if we click here beef and we click from product move, then we can see this one. See, initially this beef was from production to stock, that is TMC stock, we have 100 kg, and after that from TMC stock to Arbine we send how much, the ARBN stock we send how much, 50 kg. So from here this is done, we can check, and in the same way we can see this information for other. For example, paya, if we click product move, then also you can see from production to stock 10 kg, and after that what we do, and here also show the time and everything. So everything you can watch what are happening from where to where it is going, everything you can check. From TMC to stock, it is to ARBN stock, it going how much going, 5 kg. So ARBN in this branch we have now this 5 kg. So now if I logging by this account, so if I logging by this branch account, this is the main main account. So from here we can do everything, or we have one user for this branch. So when those branches are logging by their account, then they can only check for this information. So and this is the admin account. For that I can check everything, what is the full amount and how much in this every branches. But when you logging by this user of this branch, then you can only see your how much you have now. So it is very helpful to monitor from main account, that is administrator. They can check everything, and branch wise they can only see and control on their own amount. So now, for example, now I am in logging by Urbine branch, and I want to sell those to end customer. Just we have customer, we send them those. Here we can have some things. For example, this beef, we make some variant for them. For example, this beef we make some variant. Those are beef tehari, beef biryani. So it is a variant product. That means customer are sometime they directly tell we need beef. Sometimes they tell no, we need beef for boneless, or we need beef for kachi, like this. So this is how can we sell those. For selling, now we directly go to accounting apps. So now I am in accounting. If you see again the chart, we purchase is complete, and after that we come in inventory, we store this product, and after that we produce those main product to other product, and we transfer in branches. Up to this we have finished. So now from accounting we check some report, and how can we sell to the customer, and how can we give invoice to the customer. So those are main thing now coming by this accounting. So if you are using this system initially, so maybe you have some chart of account. So you need to set those chart of account. For example, you have some initial balance. For example, this is bank suspend account. This is a debit. This is credit. So when you using this time, maybe you have some credit, you have some cash amount. So you can put your cash amount here, and maybe you have some stock, and everything you can add here. Also you can create new chart of account. Those account, why for example, when you start using this system, then you have some what's called, you have some accounting information. For example, you have this much in bank, you have this much expense for rent, you this much for other so all those things you can add here. So from dashboard, simply you can click this chart of account, and you can set your initial opening balance. Now I want to sell those to the customer. So for that I just simply click this customer icon, and I click this invoice. So I want to sell this beef and everything to one customer. I simply click create. So after selling this one, I give him one invoice. So at first I select the customer name. So from here I select this is the customer name. I select this is on cash customer. Cash customer means he give the money in cash instantly. And here you select the invoice date. For example, I select there 19, and here you can select the branch. You know from which branch we give this one. We already set those one. This is a branch 3. Why this is branch 3? You know, we you see the branch destination branch was ARBN stock. So if we branch 3, if we open this one, this is the branch of ARBN. I make ARBN by this branch 3. So this is the branch. Here we have those product from main branch to here we come those product, and here we need to select the product. So if I click from here, click beef. Here if customer need direct beef, then it is okay. If they need a variant, then you can simply click here. Okay, at first I still need to select save button, and I need to click. For example, I select beef boneless, quantity I want 10 kilo. And here you can put the price. For example, I put here price 23. This is just demo data, not real data, and tax will be already automatically add here. And another, I want to sell paya. This I want to sell 2 kilo, and another I want to sell liver. And it is I want to sell 1 kilo. In each part that I show you in this video, those we have discussed separately in our YouTube channel Super Global Host. You can check those from there also. So after selecting those one, I need to click this confirm button. So after confirm, we can view the invoice. Simply click preview, and you can check the invoice and everything. This is the variant, and here everything will show. I back to the this invoice. Here they generate one invoice, that is 9-1. So if they give the payment, then you need to just click this register payment. Now total amount it show as a due 264. It show as a due. And one thing, for example, you have some mistake here. What is mistake? You did not put those price. You need to simply click this reset to draft, edit. For example, this one 20, this one, this is only demo data. So I click here, and after that I need to click confirm button again, because I make it a draft and changing and make it again. So now I want to register this one. So total amount due is this one. So if after that if customer give you money, then you just simply click register, and from here you can select the bank. I say or cash. This is the total amount. Sometimes it happened they did not give total amount, then this time you need to put this amount. For example, they give 300, so rest of them it show as a due, but in this case I put the total amount. This is 9.25, and simply click create payment, so it show paid. If I click on preview, then I show this one, and if I want to a print. If we have a printer connected this one, simply click this print, or you can download and you can send this one, or also you can send it directly to the customer if the customer mail is set. For example, this is the uh, on customer, so this here on options send and print. If you click that, then you can directly send his mail by this invoice. Another option here, this is if there are two kind of printer. One printer is Lajer printer or DeskJet printer. So if we want to print by those printer, then you just simply click this preview and print. But if you using dot matrix printer, then also you can use from here preview and you can print. Also for dot matrix we may have another option. This is receipt. Simply click here receipt, and here give one option to print. Simply click this print receipt. So for dot matrix, what happened, I had the header and footer already, we have those. So here we can only here we show the branch name and customer name, price, QR code. So in the above, here show the branch name, and the below it show the others information. So if we for one specific customer, it show like this. So you can print this in both from normal printer and also dot matrix printer. Here you can now check some report. For example, there are we have many kind of report. There we have tax report, we have executive summary report. Here you can check everything. This is the tax report, and also you can print in PDF, Excel sheet, and many other way. And also here we have sales details report. Simply just select the date from when to when, from 1 to 19, and select the branch. This is the selling we now recently selling from this branch. Click print. So here see the sales details, cash customer. This is this one, this cash customer. But that I tell, if you have one customer, he did not pay full amount, then how it's showing, I show you. For example, I select one customer. After that I select one product. This time I select beef, and I put the amount, and this is the price. Product sale. This is account. You can have account means where your information will store. Select product sale. So after that here also we need to select the branch. So this amount is total 46. You can, if we want to apply any discount, then you can also give the discount. For example, in this case I want to give discount 2.9. this is discount I apply here, and after that not 2.9, I just apply 2 only. After that I click confirm, and after confirm I want to register payment. In this time, what I want not a full amount. For example, he gave around half, so half will be show as a amount due. So it show as a partial, and the amount due is 15.6, this one. So if I check this report now, sales details, branch, this is admin account. For I can check all the branches, but when you are in a specific branch user, then you can only see your branches information. See here, the first one that are fully cash, that means he paid all the amount. It show as a cash sale, and have show his report. And the last time it was 50, his out of 50 he give 25, and 25 will due, and it had also show how much total due, everything. So there we have different kind of report. This is the cash flow statement, and other different option there. It is the journal audit. You can select which journal information you need. Here all the journal is there, but if you cut any specific journal and click create, then you can only see those journal. So in this way we can check those information. And here you have some cool feature. For example, you want to add the customer initially. If you have a customer, then just simply create, and you can select the customer. Also, for a specific customer, you can get the report. For example, if I select in customer, then you can see how many invoice there, and also you can get the customer statement. This is the total due amount, and this is the balance amount. And also you can filter from here. You can get a statement from here. This is the statement, and you can print. Click here and open. Then for this customer, you can see the total due amount. And in the same way, if we want to monthly report of this customer, then you can see for 1 month his report and due and everything. So this is the customer information. So from here you can manage the customer, how much you due and everything you can get. So there have different, and also if we there have report of inventory. If you click stock card period, simply type any product name. You can select more product here, liver, location. For example, in this time ARB and stock. Start date 18 to 19. If I click PDF, here you see PDF report it show. This is the date, beef in how much, 50, out 0, and here 50. You see here out show 50, but we already sell something. So how can we manage those? Simply go to account, we make two invoice here. We make two invoice here. So simply open the invoice. So here you see we make this beef 10 kg here, paya is 2 and liver 1. So invoice is done, but if we when we hand over those to customer, then what we need to do, we just need to click this transfer button, and here we need to click this shipment button, and validate, apply. So here what we see here beef 10 kilo is transferred to the customer. So if we check this one by this beef, simply go to from here to product and make this view. Then you can see the beef, this is 90 kilo, before it was 100 kilo. So what happened on this product, if we click here and click product move, then we can see all the information here. So here you see, initially we produce this meat 100 kilo. After that, from this 100, we from main branch to ARBN branch we transfer 50. So in this time also we have total 50. That means 50 is transferred to this branch. So this time TMC stock there have left 15, and ARBN here also 15. In total there are also 100. 50 plus 50, 100. But when we from this ARBN branch, if we send it to customer, in this case we sell it from the main branch, that is TMC stock, because there also we have 50 kilo. So from here, if we sell this to customer, how much we sell? 10 kilo. See, if we see this invoice, yeah, see from TMC stock it go to the source location. Here when you make this invoice, this time you see this this one, that is from which branch it are going. And when you logging in any specific branch, then only this branch will be active, but it is a main account. For that, here we need to select from which branch it are selling to the customer. So in this case it is TMC stock. So if here it show TMC stock to customer, this is 10 kilo is minus. There was 50 kg in sorry, urban branch we have 50 kg, and TMC main branch we have 50 kg, but total is 100. But from TMC main branch we sell 10 kilo, so there have 10 less, so 100 minus 10, this is 19. So their beef it's showing 90. You see in on hand 90. So now if we come back to inventory and see this report, inventory card, and here we select again this beef location, before which location is select TMC main branch. So in this time also we select this is the start date, this is the end date, so here show the full feature. See, initially we have 100, then we make one invoice this is 10 kilo. So from 15, this 10 minus 14 we have in this branch TMC out. This is now in is 0, but out is how much? 10. So this is now 50. So before the stock cart was like this, in only in is 15. Now after selling, this cart is like this. So in this way we can manage and control one full system. And this system, how can we manage your user? And we have two languages here, English and Arabic. So simply click the user and click my profile, and here you can see the two languages here, one English and Arabic. I select Arabic, and if I click save, then full system will be Arabic. So if you need the system in Arabic language, then also you can get, and from here you can manage everything. This is the accounting, and this is every option will be showing Arabic. And again, if you want to change it to English, then just simply click here, and from here just select English. Here you can change the time, there you can put your email address and HEPS. This system is fully integrated with email. So if you send any email, then you can get notification. And here also internal discuss their discuss option. So if you are logging, and from another branch your another partner is logging, so you can internally communicate with them. And also here we have employee list, how many employee you can add them here, and you can select the expense, payroll, and everything. It is a complete ERP system. So everything that your business need, everything you can get by this one platform. So again we go to our flowchart. So here we see everything. Initially we purchase, and after that we store and transfer. After that we sell it, and we can view different what's called report to see what happened in our internal process. So thanks for watching. If you need like this system, then please contact support@superglobalhost.com. So in this system is fully compatible with Jatka, this first phase and second phase. So if you need like this system, then please contact support@superglobalhost.com. Thanks for watching again.